Hello, I'm Bill DeLeo, a senior facilitator for Willett and Associates. Once again, it's time for you to come together as a cohort for a workshop. And I'm excited to join your next 4 3-hour modules as we work to sharpen your consulting skills and position you to become a trusted advisor in your company. During our time together, you will learn how to improve your ability to influence others, increase trust with your clients, approach difficult clients strategically, lead productive meetings, effectively listen and ask questions, and much, much more. Most importantly, you will walk away with a different mindset, that of an effective IT consultant, and a view of where your IT organization is and needs to be from a client perspective. You will also be able to practice these skills so you can more effectively lead your team, work with your peers, and be seen as a valuable advisor to your executives and clients. You'll come away with specific actions you can take as well as strategies to implement these actions with your teams. In preparation for the session, please complete the pre-work assignment. We'll be using those during our live sessions to make sure we're working on your actual real-life situations. Please click the Zoom link and your meeting invitation to join. I look forward to seeing you and working with you soon.